everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so you're new, you're welcome. Yeah, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very easy, simple and very effective remedy. Have you actually tried banana peel on your puffy eye before? Although there are other ingredients that I mix this that makes it really effective, that would eradicate or remove and get rid of your puffy eye in no time. Okay, so let's go try this out. Okay, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and let's go. Okay guys, so have you tried banana peel for your puffy eye? You're having those puffy eye that actually makes you look older than your age, and your face is always looking tired. Have you tried this particular remedy that I'm going to be showing you? Keep watching and make sure you watch it till the end so that you can get all of the full gist, yeah, and so you don't have to ask too many questions. Yeah, so what you do is that you're going to be peeling your banana. And this is what you're going to be needing, your banana peel. Yeah, so what you do now is that you're going to scrape the banana just like that, and make sure to scrape it in a way that it's going to be really smooth so you can use it for this remedy. Okay, and there goes your banana peel. Alright, so after that, then you have to mash the banana peel, mash it to a smooth paste. Okay, so this is good. And then the next ingredient which you're going to be needing, which is actually very important, is this. This is green tea. Now green tea is a great remedy that works wonders for the skin. It helps so much for your puffy eye. Okay, so what you're going to do now is that we're going to be making sure that the green tea is infused. So we're going to be using warm water. Okay, so we would have to wait for this to come out just like it's doing right now. The colors actually started changing, so when it's finished infusing, then we'll be right back. While we wait, let me show you another ingredient. So the next powerful ingredient is gonna be olive oil. Now olive oil is great for the skin. It helps so much to close up a large and open pores, and it also would help for a puffy eye. So what you're gonna need is just a little quantity, since what we're working on is under the eye area, which is usually not a large part, just a little circle. So after you put that, then you can stir just like what I am doing right now. The more you keep this, the more it changes its color. Yeah, so the next ingredient is avocado. Now avocado is really gentle for the skin. It helps so much to revive the signs of aging, and it works in removing wrinkles and as well as fine lines. It also helps to replenish the skin lost nutrients. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is that we're going to prepare the avocado. We're going to be taking just a little quantity of avocado. Just a little is okay. And then we'll peel it all off. And then I would like to blend it so that we can have it looking really smooth, and so it can go under the eye area. So we're gonna be packing it into the blender. And then we blend. I'll turn it into the bowl. And now make a good stir. Mix it up with other ingredients that were in there already. And then we'll grab the green tea. Okay, so the green tea is ready right now, as you can see. And what we're gonna do is that we're gonna be taking just a little quantity into all of this, and then we stir and mix it really well. Alright, so the consistency shouldn't be too thick, okay, because you're gonna be using it at the under eye area, so anything you're applying under the eye should be really soft. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Now let's go use this. Okay guys, so here is the Puffy eye remedy. And now for you to use just banana peel only, it's not going to like give you all of the full benefits, and it's not just going to like reduce the puffiness of your eye really soon, okay? But the good thing for you to do is to also use this, yeah. So now before you use it, you have to refrigerate it. Like I refrigerated it, look at how it is. And then you have to dab your face with water. I actually dab my face with water, and look at how wet my face is, okay? So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to use the tip of my hand to apply this, okay, so that I can actually focus on the dark parts of my face, which I actually do not like have a dark under eye, because I kind of take care of my skin really well, like trust me. Okay, so you use your tip, follow it, and make sure you apply it really close, but of course don't apply it into your eyes, yeah, and you apply it. Okay, now for you to use this banana peel, now the essence of using this banana peel is just to keep this ingredient into place for some minutes. So you have to take your banana peel and refrigerate it, okay, refrigerate it, and you apply it, yeah, you apply it onto the eye area, and it stays. The minute you put this ingredient, and then when you apply this, it will stay, put, yeah. Okay, So you do it that way. And in case you're having puffiness around here, you can equally just apply this, but for this side you can't be using the banana peel because it's just going to tighten it so well. But if you want, you can still use it, but immediately you use it, you have to close your eyes, put your head like this, and lay on top of your couch or your bed for some minutes. Yeah, you're gonna be feeling the tightness, and the soreness and puffiness is gonna go down in no time. Now, for you to get that utmost results, you have to at least try this ingredient for 5 days. But first, do a pre-trial, like test it onto your skin to see if it really suits your skin. Okay, but if it suits your skin, fine. Alright, but if you don't have a sensitive skin, trust me, this ingredient is very friendly enough for any skin type. So this is what you do. You apply it like this, okay, and then you leave it for like 10 minutes or 20 minutes depending on how long you can stay. Okay, after that, then you can remove it. Yeah, when you remove it, you're gonna feel a relief, like the down part here is just going to, you're just gonna be feeling how it's gonna be. Like, trust me, the down part is just going to like be compressed, and then the puffiness is gonna go down. Yeah, so try it and let me know how it is in the comment section, but make sure to apply it for at least some days. Okay, so that's it. It's really cooling first because I actually refrigerate it, and it is also really effective because it just like presses, or it gives my under eye area some pressure. So when you do that, for a few days, it's going to help you so much to remove all of those puffy eye, and you are going to be looking younger again. Yeah, so that's it, guys. If you do love this video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you soon again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful, and ciao.